So we have a function f of two variable, which is given by x raised to the power of y. We need to obtain the partial derivative of function f with respect to x and its partial derivative with respect to y. So let's begin. So we will start off our problem with whatever we are being provided. So here we have f equals to x raised to the power of y. What we'll do, we'll take the logarithm on both sides. So we have natural log of f equals to y times natural log of x. So here we have used the property of logarithm. That means if we have log of a raised to the power of b, so that will be equals to b times log of a. Now we'll take the partial derivative on both sides with respect to x. So we have partial with respect to x of log of f. X equals to partial with respect to x of y times log of x. So we know derivative of the logarithmic function is going to be 1 over f. But then again, we'll also have to multiply it to partial derivative of f with respect to x by using the chain rule. So this will be equals to, so here y is a constant, so we have y multiplied to partial with respect to x of log of x, which will be simply y over x. So we have 1 over f times partial of f with respect to x given by y over x. Now, that means let's multiply throughout with f. So we have partial with respect to x of f equals to y times f. So f here is x raised to the power of y divided by x. And if we take the x from the denominator to the numerator and combine it with the numerator, so we have y times x raised to the power of y minus 1. So this is the value of partial derivative of f with respect to x. Now what we'll do, we'll consider this particular equation log f equals to y times log x, and we'll take the derivative on both sides with respect to y. So we have partial derivative with respect to y of log of f equals to partial with respect to y of y log x. So the partial derivative of the logarithmic function will be 1 over f multiplied to partial of f with respect to y. So here log of x will be treated as a constant. So we'll multiply it to partial with respect to y of y. So that means 1 over f times partial of f with respect to y will be simply equals to log of x, because partial of y with respect to y will be 1. So that gives us partial of f with respect to y equals to f times log of x. So our f value is x raised to the power of y multiplied to log of x. So this is going to be the value of partial of f with respect to y.